Did you know that the Forex market is the largest financial market in the world with over $6 trillion traded daily? That's more than the stock market and the bond market combined. It is so amazing that retail trader and anyone anywhere in the world can participate and take part in the $6 trillion that pass through the Forex market every single day if you know what you're doing. Forex is a very big subject, but it is very important for you to understand it the way a little child would. For that very reason, welcome as I take you through the bits and pieces of the Forex markets. The purpose of this video is to show you how easy it is to understand what the Forex market is. This will be in series, but today we want to talk about what exactly is Forex trading. In the course of this brief discussion or brief video, we are going to learn about what Forex trading is. We're also going to learn why Forex trading is very important. But then why trade the Forex? Is it very beneficial? Is it something that you really need to get involved to make some money? Why look into the Forex market? Then we'll consider how does Forex trading really works. We'll look at the Euro USD, the buy and sell. We'll look at many factors, and then we'll find out who really trades the Forex market, who really trade it. Then we'll learn about the central banks, the corporation, and retail traders like you and I. And then we'll look at some of the features of the Forex market. This will cover just the first introduction to the Forex market. So without wasting much time, let us get started. The Forex market, as you must have noticed, is finally becoming one of the major source of income for many people today. That you're trying to learn more about the Forex market is because you must have seen that either your mate or your friend or someone you know, or you must have come across some videos showing people making money through the Forex market. If you intend to make money in the Forex market, it is good for you to understand what the Forex market really is about. So this video covers that. So let us go straight into the real gist. Forex, or like we'd all say, the foreign exchange. It is gotten from foreign exchange. It is the foreign exchange market. It is a foreign exchange market where currencies are traded. Now, just imagine that you're traveling to another country and you need to exchange your money for theirs. So let's say you're going to the UK. The rate at which one currency is exchanged for another is what happens in the Forex market. So let's say you travel down to the UK, you cannot use your Naira account. You cannot use your Naira currency to buy or do anything there in the US or in the UK. You have to exchange it for the Great Britain pounds. Or if you find yourself in some European countries, you use the euro. If you're in the US or any country that accepts USD, you use the US dollars. When you do such exchange, when you get involved with such exchange, you are participating in what we call Forex trading. It is not just about sitting on your phone or your laptop looking at charts. Forex happens everywhere. In fact, the rate at which one currency is exchanged for another every single second, every single day, Monday to Friday, is so high that the Forex market has over $6 trillion, more than $6 trillion traded every single day. You want to partake of this, you want to take charge of part of this transfer of wealth that goes into the Forex market. It is very important for you to understand the basics of what the Forex market is. But Forex trading goes beyond you traveling from your country to another country just to use their currencies. It is the act of buying one currency while selling another. Note, the act of buying one currency while selling another. The aim of doing this is not just to buy or sell, it is to make profit. You make profit from the charges in the exchange rate. So let's say you are with USD, and at that day the value of pounds is more than the value of the USD. When you do such exchange, you're going to make some slight amount of money depending on the quantity, depending on the volume of trade that you got yourself involved in. So we have exchangers, we have those who this is their business. I'm sure one of these days or in the past, or maybe you must have done that, you Someone sent you some money and you want to exchange it so that you can make use of it. You go to some of the black market people and you're able to exchange it. That exchange that they did for you, they made some few profit from it. That is the local way of trading it. So the forex market is where you trade this thing digitally. Digitally, you can do this just from your phone or from your laptop. You'll be able to get involved with trading other currencies from other countries, such as Euro USD, JBP JPY, USD CAD, which is USD CAD, Canadian, and all that. There are so many pairs that you can trade wherever you find yourself. That's the beauty of the forex market. Now, we want to move to the next one. Why is forex trading important? Forex trading is important because it is the backbone of global trade and investment. Many companies, governments, and individuals rely on the forex market in order to exchange currencies for business and travel. Note, business and travel, companies and governments are also involved in forex markets. Whether they know it or not, whatever they are doing by exchanging, doing business from Nigeria to other country or from Australia to US, as long as these business are done from different countries, you are involved, you're participating in the forex market. But for traders like us, it is important for us to understand that profit comes from the fluctuations that occurs in these currencies. The fluctuations, the rise and fall of these currencies is where we make our profit. Now, why trade forex? Why go into forex? Why trade forex? You need to trade the forex because not just because it is popular, but for these three reasons. One, the forex market operates 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. The crypto operates 24/7. We're going to talk about the crypto in our later video. This means that you can trade wherever it suits you. Anywhere you find yourself, you can just sit. If you know what you're doing, you can make some good amount of money. That's the beauty of it. The second reason is it is highly liquid. That means with trillions traded daily, you can tap into these and make and pinch and take some part of the money that goes through the forex market. By entering into the trade and exiting trades, you can take part and make some money. And the third reason, it has low entry barriers. It does not ask for your professional certificate. It does not ask for how intelligent you are. Wherever you are, your nationality, it doesn't ask for any of that. As long as you understand how to use your tools or the skills that you've learned, you can trade the forex market and start making money while trading. Now, how does forex trading work? Forex trading always involves pairs, currency pairs, like the euro slash USD. Now, the first currency, let's say euro, is the base currency. That is the base currency. And the second USD is the quote currency. So you buy the pair if you believe that the euro, which is the base currency, will have much strength and will do better against the dollar. If your prediction or what you assert comes to pass, you make good profit. But when you feel that the euro will do bad, maybe it will not do very well, so you sell. If you think it will be weak compared to the dollar, you sell. And if it goes that way, if the market goes that way, you make good profit. And let us consider this. Who trades the forex? Who are those who trade the forex? The forex market is made up of many players, from the central banks, the multinational corporations, to individual traders like you and me. So banks trades, insurance company, in fact, government, all organizations, they trade forex. Banks, central banks, most of the banking institutes, they trade the forex. So it is very important for you to understand that this is a very big market. But retail traders like you and I, particularly, aim to make profit by analyzing the market, looking at candlestick, looking at what is happening in that economy of the currency that we are trading, to make good prediction of the market and understand where the market moves, so that when we say the euro will do better than the USD, if it goes in our favor, we'll be able to make good money. So now that you know what forex trading is, you are one step closer to starting your journey. So in our next video, We'll introduce you to the basic terms where you understand how you can place your trade, what trading is all about. You're going to learn a lot of things. We are coming up with lots of topics that would help you understand what Forex is. So I'll advise you do the needful, subscribe so that you can follow up. And if you have any questions to ask, please go ahead and ask your questions on the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will never miss on any updates. See you on the next video.